Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT6T, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which I need to first find. Oh, there we go. It's right over here. Next, you're gonna navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default the device will always try to import your contacts to the Google account if there is one signed in. That's also why most of these contacts are deselected right now, because all of these contacts actually exist on the Google account that it's trying to import to. But I can tap on a drop-down menu and choose, for instance, the device, which there is no contacts on the device, so it automatically allows me to import all of them. Now you can also deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there click on import. This will import all selected contacts and keep the syncing off. And now when we navigate back to contacts list, if you've chosen to import your contacts to some other area, you might need to click right here and then select where you import them to, which for me that would have been the device, and you can see they are visible all right here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.